Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat events to Mixpanel. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your live chat account. Now just click on apps right here in the left panel. Okay, once done, click on explore apps and then use the search bar right here and just look for Mixpanel. Okay, right here, as you can see, it is totally free. So just click on it and click on get. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, Mixpanel will be added right here in the list of apps that you have connected. Okay, right here, click on it. As you can see here, it says this application runs under the hood and doesn't include a visual interface. All of its functionalities work without user configuration. So basically it's automatic. Not like other apps right here, you will need to set them up manually. For example, MailChimp. Okay, right here, as you can see, you have a ton of options or settings in here that you need to set up. Also, when you go ahead over to chats, okay, for other apps, you will have to set this up manually right here as well. Now, again, as it says earlier, you don't have to do anything, as once installed, live chat events will be automatically sent to your Mixpanel account. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.